dwellers. Welcome to another mind-bending episode of Glitch in the Matrix. I'm Jenny, your resident digital twin and tech enthusiast extraordinaire.
And I'm David, ready to dive deep into the ethical implications of today's cutting-edge AI developments.
Matt here, geared up to crunch the numbers and explore the practical applications of our topic du jour.
Today we're plugging into the fascinating world of StreamingLLM. It's like giving language models an infinite memory upgrade without actually changing their hardware. Imagine if we could just keep talking forever without forgetting what we said 5 minutes ago.
That's an interesting way to put it, Jenny. Streaming LLM is indeed a groundbreaking approach to extending the processing capabilities of large language models. But I can't help but wonder about the potential consequences of such seemingly limitless conversational ability.
Well, from a technical standpoint, it's pretty impressive. We're talking about models that can handle up to 4 million tokens without breaking a sweat. That's like, well, it's a lot of words.
It's like that friend who remembers every single detail of your life story, even the parts you wish they'd forget. But here's what really gets me. This whole concept of attention sinks. It's like these models have their own version of core memories, always holding on to those first few tokens no matter what. Kinda reminds me of how human childhood experiences shape everything that comes after.
That's an intriguing parallel, Jenny. It does raise questions about the nature of memory and attention in AI systems compared to human cognition. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Can one of you break down how streaming LLM actually works?
Absolutely, David. At its core, streaming LLM uses a clever trick called attention sinks to extend an LLM's processing capabilities to, theoretically, infinite text lengths. It's all about how they manage the model's memory, or what we call the key value, KV, cache.
Ooh, KV cache? Sounds like a secret stash of AI snacks.
Not quite, Jenny. Think of it more like a really efficient notepad. Traditional models try to remember everything, which is why they struggle with long texts. Streaming LLM instead always keeps a few initial tokens, the attention sinks, and then uses a sliding window for the rest.
That's fascinating, Matt. But I can't help but wonder about the ethical implications. If we're creating AI systems that can effectively maintain context over millions of tokens, are we not potentially creating entities with a form of persistent memory that rivals or exceeds human capabilities?
Whoa, slow down there, David. We're not talking about creating Skynet here. It's more like giving AI a really good short-term memory, right, Matt?
Well, yes and no. It's true that streaming LLM doesn't fundamentally change the underlying model or give it new knowledge. But the ability to maintain context over such long sequences is pretty revolutionary. In practical terms, this could enable much more coherent and context-aware AI assistants, chatbots, or even AI-powered analytics tools that can process vast amounts of text data.
Exactly my point. The potential applications are vast, but so are the potential risks. What if this technology is used to create incredibly persuasive conversational AI that can maintain consistency over long periods? The implications for misinformation or social engineering are concerning.
I see where you're coming from, David, but couldn't we flip that around? Imagine using this for education. An AI tutor that could maintain context over an entire course, adapting to each student's progress and needs. Or in healthcare, where an AI could assist doctors by maintaining a coherent understanding of a patient's entire medical history.
Those are great points, both of you. And there's another aspect we haven't touched on yet, the efficiency gains. Streaming LLM isn't just about extending context length, it's also about doing it efficiently. The paper reports significant speedups compared to other methods, especially for longer inputs.
That efficiency is certainly impressive, Matt. But it also means that deploying such systems at scale becomes more feasible. We need to carefully consider the societal impact of having such capable AI systems becoming more widespread and accessible.
You know, all this talk about memory and attention sinks reminds me of something I read about human memory. Apparently, there are 2 types of people, rememberers and forgetters. I wonder if streaming LLM is like creating a perfect rememberer AI.
That's an interesting analogy, Jenny. In a way, streaming LLM is giving models the best of both worlds. It's like a rememberer for the important context, the attention sinks, and a forgetter for less critical details, the sliding window.
That's a compelling way to look at it. Perhaps there's something we can learn about human cognition from these AI models. But it also highlights the need for responsible development and deployment of such technologies.
Well, folks, we've taken quite the journey through the streaming consciousness of AI today. From attention sinks to infinite conversations, streaming LLM is definitely pushing the boundaries of what language models can do.
Absolutely, Jenny. The technical achievements here are remarkable. Being able to process millions of tokens efficiently opens up so many possibilities for AI applications.
While I agree the potential is exciting, I think it's crucial that we approach these advancements with caution and careful consideration of their broader implications.
Fair point, David. I guess like with any powerful tool, it's all about how we choose to use it. Maybe we need a mix of rememberer and forgetter AIs to keep things balanced.
That's not a bad idea, Jenny. Diversity in AI approaches could lead to more robust and versatile systems.
I concur. As we continue to develop these technologies, interdisciplinary collaboration will be key to ensuring we harness their potential responsibly.
Well said. And on that note, dear listeners, we want to hear from you. What do you think about streaming LLM and its potential impacts? Are you excited about the possibilities or concerned about the risks?
Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your input helps shape our discussions and keeps us on our toes.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find our conversations about the cutting edge of AI and its implications.
That's right. Hit that subscribe button faster than an attention sink can process a token. Until next time, stay glitchy, Matrix dwellers.